Go traders right here on our website, YINN, $55 puts, big payday protection right there on the website. There it is. Here is the daily chart. We have a big gap down. We had a massive rally, but we bought the 55 puts with the big massive gap down. We're the 20-day simple moving average, everybody. Let's focus on that because that is at 33.6. So we could drop down and test it before rebounding. Right now, it's been a ferocious trend, and sellers hit the market with the gap down after a ferocious rally. Once again, having the $55 puts protects our investment. We also have those $50 puts that you've been viewing and given a lot of reviews on. Both the 55 and the $50 puts are working because it was not about is it going to go lower, it was about how to protect your capital. Protecting the capital. YINN, gap down, $55 puts, protecting the capital. We're hitting support level. When we hit support, we're going to let you know if it bounces or not.